Welcome to this Divi Rock Maps configuration tutorial. Before you can start using our module, you need to set up a few things. Follow the next steps to ensure proper configuration of the dynamic map module. Step 1. Correct permalink structure. 1. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Settings, then Permalinks, and then Permalink Structure. 2. Ensure that your permalink structure is not set to plain or numeric. Our plugin relies on the WordPress API to fetch content from your chosen post type, which will be displayed on your map. Step 2. Register a post type. 1. Choose a specific post type from your WordPress installation that you want to use with the dynamic map module. 2. You can register a custom post type using custom code or by using an external plugin like Custom Post Type UI. This plugin is a popular solution for creating custom post types and taxonomies. 3. Ensure that the chosen post type is accessible through the WordPress REST API. To do this, if you're using Custom Post Type UIA, navigate to see PT UI, then Edit Post Types, then Settings, and then Show an REST API. By default, this option should be set to True. If you're using WordPress core post types such as posts, they should be accessible through the REST API by default. Step 3. Install Advanced Custom Fields, a CF plugin. 1. Install and activate the Advanced Custom Fields, a CF plugin from the WordPress plugin repository. 2. This module relies on a CF to retrieve latitude and longitude coordinates, so it's essential to have a CF installed and active in your WordPress installation. Step 4. Create 2 advanced custom fields. 1. Once a CF is installed and activated, navigate to a CF, then Field Groups, then add New, and then Fields. 2. Create the following 2 fields. Field 1. Field type Text. Field label, any label you want, for example, latitude. Field name, any name you want, for example, lat. And default value, leave it blank. Field 2. Field type Text. Field label, any label you want, for example, longitude. Field name, any name you want, for example, loan. And default value, leave it blank. 3. Give a name to your field group, for example, Divi Rock Maps fields. 4. Scroll down to the Settings section, choose the Group Settings tab, and enable Show in REST API. 5. Click on Save Changes to save your field group settings. Now you have completed the setup process, and you are ready to use our dynamic map module. Please note that you should have the correct permalink structure, a registered post type with access to the WordPress REST API, and 2 advanced custom fields, latitude and longitude, created using the ACF plugin. Note, some users already have created their ACF fields prior to our plugin acquisition. Our plugin will enable the EREST API for all ACF group fields on its activation. If you don't want this to happen, you can deactivate this setting and configure the Show in REST API setting manually as indicated above and save changes. That's it. Now you are ready to use our dynamic map module.